This repair video for the P0140 error code is specifically tailored for Acura drivers. If your Acura is showing up P0140 code, this is for you. This means that the O2 sensor circuit on bank 1, sensor 2, has no activity detected by the powertrain control module PCM. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these possible faults in your car. Faulty oxygen sensor, wiring issues, exhaust leaks, engine control module problems, other potential causes. Here are 3 simple DIY methods you can try to solve this problem. Oxygen sensor replacement. Carefully remove the oxygen sensor from the catalytic converter and visually check the oxygen sensor electrical connections, wire harness, and metal tabs for any damages. If damages are found, then replace the oxygen sensor. MAF Sensor. Carefully remove the MAF sensor from your car and do a quick inspection around wire. Inside often gets dirty and needs to be cleaned. You can spray the MAF sensor cleaner onto the wire perpendicularly to the ground so that it won't damage the MAF sensor. Reinstall the MAF sensor back in the car after it gets dry. This error occurs in OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Mercedes, Scion, Acura, Nissan, Honda, Toyota, Lexus, and Chevrolet. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.